Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. And today we have a great product that a vendor has sent me for free. It's a free product. It's a paid review. Let's open it. I have not opened it yet, but I have had a few of these. And these are awesome little tool systems. Great Father's Day gift, by the way. Wink, wink. Dremel tool. They can be used for anything and everything. And they're just awesome little things to have around, from smoothing out your pet's toenails to your own toenails to, smoothing out wood carvings or carving wood, sanding little teeny areas that you can't get to with a normal sander. This is a great tool for anybody who's just that craftsman who does little projects here and there, or if you're doing projects with kids like Christmas ornaments or things like that where you want to sand off little ridges and things like that. But these are great little tools. Let's open it up and see what they got, shall we? First off, let's just look at the case. Nice little case, huh? All comes complete. Then you open that up, and look at that. I'm going to show you up really close here. You have the tool there, and look at all those bits. So what you have there, these guys here are sanding spools. You put that on there and you can sand anything. These are little pumice stones that you can, of any shape or size that you can, and then you have little, but I mean they are metal files, little grinders of all different shapes and sizes. So I mean, just anything that you need to grind, small things, this is the tool for you. If you're a hobbyist of any kind, you have to have a Dremel tool, to grind off little hot glue pieces, things like that. So what you do, and what the really cool part about this is this is rechargeable. You are not tied to the wall with this thing. Really nice. All you do is you pick your tool and you put it in. You lock it, and you put it in the chuck here. And this is not charged at this point in time, but you could turn this on. No, didn't even give me a charge, which is unusual. Normally they come a little bit charged, and then you can just grind away. Also comes with, a myriad of sanding discs. This whole thing is full of these sanding discs. But I don't know how many there is, but that thing is full of those sanding discs. So you're not going to need a resupply anytime soon. And extra pieces and parts, extra chuck in case you wear it out. This is a really, really good complete set. Little chuck wrench. What else we got in here? If you're polishing things, there's a buff pad. A little round stone for getting into those nice little smooth areas for your crafting. This thing is a complete set, folks. Again, I'm going to show you this one more time. Complete set. Go out and get your Phalanx Dremel tool. Really, honestly, no home should be without one. You're always needing something like this. I think I'm going to go grind off my puppy's toenails with this right now.